So you folks might have heard of MCP, which is the USB for talking to different applications for your AI. But Google just released an official tutorial that will plug straight into your LLM or ChatGPT or Gemini or whatever you're using so that it can talk to these different applications. No more of that USB for different AIs sort of definition. They actually released a tutorial where the programmer talks you step by step on how to apply and use the model context protocol, which is the MCP, right? And once again, imagine that is a definition that MCP is imagine your AI application has a USB that you can use to connect into any different app or data. So that is still definition still holds. But why this tutorial is great is that it actually shows you the code and shows you step by step how this person creates a calculator tool because LLMs traditionally are really bad at math. LLMs, I'm sure you guys know, is ChatGPT, Gemini. Traditionally, they were really bad at math. So what this person does is creates a tool that does addition and subtraction and then connects Gemini or ChatGPT to these tools, and so they can now do math. Now, granted, LLMs are getting better, but he shows a couple things in this that I think are really important. Firstly, this person creates um, a way for a proof of concept for how to connect to a tool. Right today, it's a calculator. Tomorrow, you can connect your Microsoft Excel spreadsheet or your Google Docs spreadsheet, and then it can read that data and go through it all through a single command line. And it also shows you an authentication method, right? A big problem with these tools is you need to make sure that the person that's connecting to the data is allowed to access the data, right? If it's a spreadsheet I own, I got to make sure I'm the only one that can view it. Nobody else should be able to view it. Um, if they're using model context protocol, MCP, or if they're not using model context protocol, doesn't matter. It should be just my access unless I give someone access. And that's also what he showcases with this tool as to how OAuth and authentication happens, right? And the best part is MCP is vendor agnostic. So if you change your models, you will still keep your servers. So yeah, give it a try. You can enjoy the command line interface for Gemini. Add one MCP for server and see if you can do something real. And let me know your thoughts as to what you think. I am giving away 4 real AI use cases in my bio for free. Download them, read them, tell me what you think. They're useful for your business, maybe, maybe not. I know people have used it in the past and have replied positively about it. But yeah, always open to thoughts and see you soon. Bye.